guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shireen, aka Sher, and guys, I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'll be doing a ponytail. Yes, I'll be doing a ponytail, but this ponytail I'll be doing, it will be the hard part ponytail. So I'm going to be making a heart at the top of my head right here. And I'll be doing the side sweep. And I'll be using a Velcro ponytail to attach at the back. In my last video that I did with ponytail, I showed how to attach this ponytail. So guys, if you're interested in seeing how I go about making the hard part and making the side sweep, the deep side sweep, and attaching this ponytail, stay tuned guys. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram at IM876 fab_hereby_share for more dope videos, guys. Always keep your post notification bell on so you'll be notified each time I post a video. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so to do this parting is a bit tedious to do by myself, so I'm going to allow my daughter to make the part for me, and then I'll do the rest of the ponytail. So let's begin. Alright guys, how well did she do? If you think she did well on the parting, give her some hearts in the comment section. So guys, I'm just going to finish the rest of the ponytail. Alright guys, so this is the parting my daughter did for me. If you think she did well, she did a good job, give her and show her some love in the comments section. So now guys, I'm just going to continue to do the ponytail. So I'm brushing my hair together. I'm going to use the wax that she used to make my part to brush in the back of my hair and the sides of my hair. And I'm just going to catch this in with a scrunchie. And then I am going to make my side sweep, and then I'm going to attach the ponytail on my hair. Alright guys, so now I'm going to make my side sweep. So I'm just combing the hair forward, and I'm going to slightly turn it sideways. I'm not going to be using any form of gel or wax. I'm just going to use some of the Got2b spray to just hold it temporarily, because I'm just doing this hairstyle for the video. After I'm done doing this, I'm going to pull it out, so I don't want it to be hard or anything like that. So here we go, making this side sweep. Alright, so here we go. This is my side sweep or swoop or swoop. So now I'm going to make my edges. So I'm going to use some before I make the edges, I'm just using some of the wax to just further get my hair neat and smooth and flat. And then I'm going to use some gel, and the gel I'm using is the extreme gel. I'm going to use some gel to just make my edges. Yeah, so here we go, and I'm just adding the gel to make my edges, and then I'm just going to attach the ponytail, show you how to add the ponytail onto my hair. Okay guys, so that's it for my edges, and now for the ponytail. So here we go with the ponytail. So you know, the ponytail has the comb inside, So here's the comb, and I'm going to attach the comb in the center of the hair that I have catched up, and I'm going to take my time and wrap one side around first, and then the side with the Velcro I'm going to take my time and wrap it around so the Velcro can snatch down onto the fabric that the ponytail is made with. And then I'm going to use the remainder of the hair, that little part there you see me wrapping around. I'm just going to wrap it right around and around until I'm at the end of the hair. And that's basically it, guys, for my ponytail and my hard part with my deep side part, my deep side part, or my deep side swoop with my Velcro ponytail. So here we go. So I'm wrapping it around until I have no hair left, and that's it. That's basically it, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like the video, guys, remember to give the video a thumbs up. Yes, I'm just brushing the hair in so it stays neat. And that's it, guys. That's basically it for my side sweep with my hard parting Velcro ponytail. Look how cute that is. I am in love. So guys, until my next video, guys, I am out. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. You guys. Alright, I want to say today is a sad day to end the video on this note, and I lost a very, very, very close friend. I could hardly do this video today. I want to say RIP to Dale, aka Arrow. People call him Arrodon. Met in an accident last night and he lost his life. And I just want to say condolences to all his family and all his friends out there. So until another video, guys, bye.